Hey everyone, I am here with the Pixel 3a, and it raises an important question: who should buy this phone? So I'm going to walk you through 5 reasons why I think you might want to buy it. So first of all, it's right on the front. It's got a headphone jack. Now, I use Bluetooth headphones, a lot of people don't, and of course a big complaint about modern phones, especially the expensive ones, is they don't have a headphone jack. So if you want a Pixel phone with a headphone jack, this is your baby right here. So number 2, and this is a biggie, I don't care about the notch on the Pixel 3 XL, but lo and behold, this is a 3a XL and it's got no notch. So it never bothered me, but some people don't like it. Okay, the third reason is that there is a new color. So if this purplish appeals to you, then this is probably the phone you want. As you can see, that's white. This is purplish. It's not that big a difference. It's extremely subtle, but hey, I have a red iPhone XR that I'm testing. I like the red color. You might like purple, so that's a reason too. Reason number 4 is extremely important. It's a Pixel phone, so the Pixel 3a comes with all of the updates as soon as Google is ready. And that's security updates, that's actual operating system updates. And for me, perhaps most importantly, is you're going to get all of the Google Assistant updates that Google talked about on stage at I/O today. So the last point, and probably the most important, is the price. Now, the Pixel 3a, the smaller one, costs only $400. The Pixel 3a XL is $480, and that is pretty low price to get into the Pixel Club. So in this day and age when everyone's trying to get a premium phone, but they don't want to pay those super high prices, like $1,000 for the iPhone XS and the most expensive Samsung phones, let alone $2,000 for the Galaxy Fold, you can get into a really nice phone for just $400 or $480. So we'll have a full review on PC World in due time, but in the meantime, I want to know what you think of the Pixel 3a and why you might want to buy it.